Well, I'm on my way already in D.C. Generally takes me about 10 minutes to get to the D.C. courthouse on a day with no traffic. It doesn't look like there's a lot out here today. My home. I've got to go to U.S. Court of Appeals in District of Columbia and U.S. District Court. And then I have to go to Johnny Hillary Walker's offices on 6th Street, file my papers that I've got to get them date stamped to them. And I have to go to the Court of Federal Claims. And then I have to go to the attorney for the Donald Trump. All these cases involve Donald Trump and the agencies of which they control. None of these courts are in adherence with the rule of law. I asked for a bifurcated hearing in the Court of Appeals in this latest motion. That no court will identify their jurisdiction or authority. None of the judges will produce the oath of office. All the court dockets have been tampered with and falsified. And just yesterday I found out that the loan that that my title was clear, and then all of a sudden yesterday West Coast Funding LLC sent a correspondence to the Mutual of Omaha, said that I owed $70,000 for something that's 34 years old after they stole my multi-million-dollar roller skating rink and Farmers Bank, and before that it started out as started out as Suburban Bank, and then SunTrust, Farmers Bank, then First Virginia Bank, and now it's up to Truist is taking over all these loans, and none of these banks will even talk to you now. But every one of them has proof that it's a fraud. They stole my retirement fund from me. They stole my property, which I filed for. I had over $180,000 worth of $90,000 worth of equity, and they took it for like $24,000. The judges and lawyers and the mortgage company, and West Coast Funding, West Coast Services, they're not even licensed anywhere in the state of California. They're sending these letters out all across the country. It's a group of lawyers got together, formed this company, and whenever they have a tough case, they want to keep track of it, keep the liens against the people who they have robbed. Then they take the title to your home and they send it out to West Coast Services, and then they put a false lien against you with no proof, without your knowledge, without any consent. And that's just what happened yesterday. Mutual of Omaha called me, and I said, well, I guess we're just going to have to hold off on that loan, because I have to take care of it in the court. But all these courts know, they know you got a chain of title that goes on. I paid it off in 1995, and they're bound and determined to make sure before I'll go to my grave trying to get it totally cleared up. But on my title, I've had this, every time I go to the land records, there are no liens whatsoever. You can look at the past videos that I've done, of dozens and dozens of videos where I went down and paid for certified copies of my title. They have no right whatsoever to file judgments against me, but so, as lawyers, they think they can get away with it.